And look how it is down here. It's a real jungle. I think every hotel here in Ubud needs to have something like this. Welcome to a new video and welcome to Ubud. This is our place where we'll stay for 2 nights. Actually, we booked 2 nights, but we'll see how long we will stay. For now, it's looking pretty good. It's a hotel around 10 minutes from center of Ubud on the northern part. It's 7 in the morning. It's a bit raining outside, but it seems to be stopped. So let's start this day with some running. It's in the middle of the jungle. It has the jungle feel, so it's so nice. But look at this view, also on this side. And what I can say, the gym is really good equipped. So it has these 2 treadmills, this bike. It has this machine here where you can do, I don't know what's called, cable crossover. There is this seated leg press. Here you have this machine for chest, and also you can do a rowing here. And here we have 1 bench, dumbbells, I think, yeah, dumbbells 35 kilograms. So yeah, it's so good. And also mattresses here for stretching. Yeah, it's really good equipment gym. Trust me, for 1 hotel this is so good. Gym is right left here, and when you go a little bit down you can find a lot of villas. It's called Teratai. We are only 2, so we don't need so big villa. But I just wanted to show you. Our room is right there at the corner. And look how it is down here. It's a real jungle. And here is the pool. We got this in the fridge. Let's taste how it is. Out inside, fresh outside. Seems to be organic, but let's try it. I didn't film too much in the gym because some people came and there's not so many space there, so I didn't want to disturb. And came here enjoying this view from terrace. It's so nice. Chocolate vanilla, bonola. Let's try it. Probably some nuts. This is kind of sweet, I think. Lantar sugar, whole grain oats, and cashews. The taste is so good. Let's try the drink. Oh, this is soda drink. I don't like it. Yeah, this is a soda drink. I don't like to drink that. It's like health supplement. Yeah, I don't drink that. Only the fresh squeezed juice. We have breakfast included also, so we will go now for breakfast.
It's gonna be your first day for the breakfast, right?
Good morning. Can we get this sliced fruit?
And then
We can both. You have to create your own egg, bro. And fresh juice. This is just a starter.
You order salad?
yes,
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome with the moment for the cutleries.
Please. Please.
Yeah.
So weird.
ito mga kuliko.
Wow. Are you okay? How do you talk from? Let me take the helmet. I thought last night that this is covered, it's a roof here, but it's not. And this is how I put my helmet. It's whole wet. So I need to see how I will dry it. So inside, it's all water. So yeah. Anyway, the food was great.
Yeah.
Can we maybe borrow for you? We have to.
I will check it, yeah?
Thank you so much. Fuck. It's all water inside. Look at this. Okay, we're going to show you one maybe the nicest place for a coffee. We have 10 minutes. we came at this place, which we really loved from last year. Nothing changed as I see. It's called Humak Cafe. It's in the middle of rice fields. It's so nice. Here, of course, concept store, like in every other restaurant or coffee shop. Can you pay by card? Yes. You go. We came back from Humak Cafe. We decided to come back here to hit the gym because it's so hot outside. And yeah, let's do the warm-up and I am gonna do back today. You know, when they say it's not important where you train, I think this is not the case. I think this really motivates you to come and do the training. I think every hotel here in Ubud needs to have something like this. Can you imagine like yourself on a treadmill and you're looking at the wall? It's stupid, but when you're looking at the nature, it's different thing. My first option when we are talking about lower back is a back extension machine, but they don't have it here, so this is like the best replacement for it. The owner of this hotel must be training because this gym is, I think, the best one that we've ever been. I mean, it's not the biggest one, but the quality of machines is so great. Everything is so smooth. There's no like cracking or something, and you can feel it. Trust me, I train in a lot of gyms, especially in hotels, and this is like premium quality. And guys, if the gym is priority for you and you're looking for some hotel in Ubud, trust me, check this one and you will not be disappointed. I came to the room, took a quick shower, and I want to fly a drone a little bit here. I saw their Instagram photos and it looks really nice. So I have here Andy 1664 and 256. I think Andy 16 is more than enough. I hope I will not hit any tree. I'm not sure if you're able to see, but it's a pretty narrow space here for the drone. Okay, that was nice landing. We'll go now to the pool and enjoy a little bit there. I bought this protein a few days ago in Kuta. It's Muscle Tech. Should be good, 100% whey. It has how much? 24 grams of protein, so 29, I think, serving. Also, I bring this blend jet with me. I will just find a little bit of fruit, put it inside and mix it up. Look at this color. I put dragon fruit, banana, ananas, and 1 spoon of vanilla protein. those are being called rain showers here in Ubud. Ubud is really famous. We remember last year that every day I think it was a little bit of shower, but today it was I think 2 or 3 times yet. So yeah, and this still doesn't stop. You need to be prepared, and you need to have in your scooter the rain suits. So that's why the jungle looks like this, because it rains every day. I'm just afraid of my gear. I don't like when I'm having camera and stuff with me. I need to take care of that. But if I'm like this in swim shorts, the rain doesn't bother me. It's around 5 p.m. now. We are figuring out what to do next. We want to go to yoga maybe, but yeah, we'll check if the rain stops. Yeah, but look at this. It's so strong. I'm not sure if the camera can catch it, but it's so strong. Maybe I didn't show you up, but this apartment has this huge terrace, and what's also great, there is this switch here. It has like 5 speeds, and that turns on this guy. And this really helps, because without it you couldn't stay and enjoy here in terrace. Okay, so we have like afternoon tea, but you don't need to order tea. We order ice, chocolate, water, and they gave us some snacks here. So we have some chicken with rice, right? We have some banana in like their style, and like wrapped in egg and cooked, not cooked, like roasted, how it's called, I'm not sure. And also this coconut, which is also wrapped in what? In sugar, in some kind of sugar, but it looks nice. Let's try how it is. I'll try first this chicken. I mean, it's okay. It's like normal chicken. We came here at the rooftop. It has a really nice view. Also, they told us we can watch sunset from here. And the view is really nice. Видите, что я, no? A lepsze banany, though. This banana is great. I'll try this coconut. This is also nice. Great snacks. We decided to spend the rest of the day at hotel. We didn't go anywhere, and that's why I didn't film anything. So that's it from today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed, and see you tomorrow. Bye.